the meaning the name was born for. Let us give this beauty the meaning she was created for. I'm not reading my speech. I don't read books. So I'm not reading any speech. I'm not reading any Bible. I have read the Bible from morning. Like in Sasa Sisomi. Because I know what is standing. Na ndio mwamwele orosho toda hunjike hunjoke 1996 hesedo mwaka ina wegoro 1997 kodo kata ko mundo to na hesedo mutore anake can you imagine shoka konya wele siga keru tori ko ke hana de siga ke dikora mo kira de boka no no mo tibobio na ne gitongaga na kiti hana ro wega no ke boibio no ke yo he mo nyiti ake yo hina kela kie no ikyo maine ruke hore no ikyo do no kijude ro ko murakan mamia na hora nasio kiti kitu kiti hodro ko hora kanida leo kiti ila kanida ko hodro ni sekani no ni tenda kuwa otomwe that this is a call a woman full of favor. I want to say that any opposition, any challenges, any discouragements or anything that you are doing to be watching is today will not stop her. Will not stop her. I categorize you to great women, great mothers that we have in Kenya, great mothers we have abroad, great mothers Adoyo, me America. There's a woman with our grace, sister Mheshimiwa Sabina Chege. She has made it to make a ministry women in the FFPK. It go to America from Dallas to all the states. You can have been like those women. You don't need to be white. You don't need. You are already white. You don't need to be more. You need the grace. You need to listen to us. You need to listen to men. Listen to women. You need to consult fathers. You will need. Whenever you listen to me, then I don't know what I can together the night. Haha, Ogotokoria Junior, no listen to Toyarika. No Nicoletta Canade, no one can win. But this man need to have one year. Then you have here, I know. Then we have do me a favor. Thank you. Thank you. Gabriel Mukora Canato. And the number one, and the net, the number two are two what I go. Nando you do not come to Tony Moini, none of priesthood. Or not this year's a very tired. No, as of Canada. Nana Mugataga, not as people. I want to say, Karoya, Mary, you are celebrities. That celebrity or celebrations you have from our people should not make you forget what God has done to you or where God has taken it from. I have kept a good name. Nini Joe, Korea to the guy Kaibaga, is over the air, Clifford the air, Joy the air, Nini get online, Korenamodo, Togo, Bia, Kanazura, Kanoria Hana, Kanaritoa. I always appreciate everyone unless you don't want it. But you better than what you cannot fertilize, you don't need a man. That's nonsense. That's nonsense.